G'day, my name is Pete Moriarty and I'm the founder of itGenius. In this video, I'm going to share with you an introduction to our puzzle piece concept. And that is basically a set of software that is tailor-made to businesses, no matter what stage of business that you're at, which is going to help you to get implemented the tech that you need to grow a more successful business. Now, this is available for concierge members of ours and under our itGenius membership program, and it's a free service for anyone who is a member of Concierge. Now, what's the result of implementing these tools and what's the special sauce that we bring to this? Well, this is all about having less IT meetings and doing things less of the old way of doing IT. Usually technology projects in business are long and they've got a million meetings and it takes forever to get them implemented and it takes months and months and months to get it done. Well, all of these programs are tailored to small businesses and typically it's less than 2 hours to implement each one of these tools. So in a small business, you've got thousands of options with technology tools and we can get into like bright shiny object syndrome or even complete overwhelm trying to choose what's the next best tech tool to implement in my business. And what's actually important is not the perfect tool, but the right tool at the right time. And having worked with thousands of businesses, we know exactly what tools are going to get you the most leverage and help support your business growth the most, depending on what stage of business you are at right now. But just choosing the right tool is half the problem. Actually then implementing is usually something that business owners try and do themselves, or they hire an external consultant, or they designate someone who's not really, the most technologically savvy person in the business to get it done. And that's where projects can start to have problems. And so this whole program is about fast implementation, easy implementation, and supporting your team to really get rocking and rolling very quickly as well. All with the minimal amount of outlay available for the business owner. It means that we're focusing on you working on your business, not in your business, and getting these tech tools implemented quickly. So the reason that we have, let's say, a choose your own adventure with tools is so that it is flexible for you. You can start anytime and you will have a project manager that will guide you along the process as well. As I said, most of these tech tools take less than 2 hours to implement. And so what that means is it's going to be easier for you or someone else on your team to actually implement. And when it comes time to actually train up your team on using a new technology tool, we have training videos. Now, usually these are less than 15 minutes each, and they're going to help your team both understand the why this tool has been implemented, but also the how to use it so they can get up to speed really quickly. So we don't have time to do like 90-minute in-depth training sessions these days. Everyone's really busy and you want your team to be focusing on actually getting their work done. And so we're not going to bombard them with like a 10-part training series on how to use a new tool. They're going to be short and sharp and easy to digest, which means that your team can get back to business. Speaking of getting back to business, you as a business owner, this is something that you can actually delegate so you don't even need to run the projects yourself. You could be just as easily forwarding this email over to someone else and having someone on your team take care of the project for you, having them work with the project manager on our team, and that means that you're going to get a faster result and you just have your team report back to you. As I said, we've worked with thousands and thousands of small business owners and we know exactly what it takes to get something implemented fast that's going to be effective and have great results. So this may be something that you want to do to future-proof your business as you move forward, or maybe you just want to create more time working on the business rather than in the business. Have a look at all of the options that are available here and our team will be ready to help out when you're ready to give us the go button. Now imagine in 12 months time that you get 6 projects done in your business, technology tools that are implemented to help you go more forward, to help you grow the business and to help you reach your goals, be more successful, whatever that looks like, whether it's more time or more money or more flexibility. For you, we want to help you support in your business and we're here to get the tech right so you can do that. If right now you are not a member of itGenius or you're not a member of our concierge service, then head along to the link below and our team can help you get started transferring your billing into itGenius. If you're already a member or a subscriber to Google Workspace, then you are eligible to get access to this program. Click on the link below and our team will get you started straight away.